Hello again, everyone. I've had a bit of an idea, this morning, and I actually messaged Steve to say that perhaps next year we could have some slatted egg shapes. I want to do the equivalent of a slatted egg shape with one of his square slatted dies with an egg from a nested set from Simon Said Stamp, and some of the Craft Addiction bunnies and the Happy Easter. So I've cut a card, square card, and a panel. I'm going to cut an aperture from the front of this card. These are the double stitched ones. I've got a set of just eggs as well. But for today, I thought I would just use the double stitched ones. I had to choose the size that was small enough to accommodate the slatted dies. I think this is the tallest slatted die that I've got. I did look at this one first, but this one, you see, it's not quite long enough. So this is the die for the slats. This is the die for the egg. So let's just kind of put them together. I've done a little bit of cutting out already today because it's kind of tedious, isn't it, to be cutting out all the time. Right, here's my... This was a square that came out of something or other. Put into my scrap drawer. I knew it'd come in handy for something. Oh, and I've cut them the wrong way around. Never mind. Have they cut through? Yes, they have. That's excellent. I went across the grain. I went that way rather than this way, but absolutely fine. So there's my thing for behind there. Now I'll cut that egg shape out of my front panel. Let's get this in the right position. I want this to go at the top, the Happy Easter, up there, like that. So I think I'll have this in the middle. I don't always have things in the middle. I tend to go off on one side very often, but I think I'll go in the middle today. Let's cut this out. So there, we've got stitched on the outside. This can go behind like that. And I thought I might do my old trick with a bit of embossing behind. So I could use this. I'm using so many offcuts, it's not true. So let me get an embossing folder, a busy one, and I will emboss this little piece of scrap. I just want something that's busy behind there with lots of lines on it. This one says Merry Christmas. We could do Merry Christmas, couldn't we, really? Would that look all right? No, let's try one with a bit more. Let's try the leaves today. Let's try this one. These are just old 2D ones. Okay, they're my leaves. Let's see what they look like behind there. I think that'd be quite nice. Do you see? It's sort of delicate, isn't it? Okay, we'll chop a bit of this off. Okay, now that's going to go like that, like that, like that. And we want to have the Happy Easter at the top. Like so. I'll get that sorted straight in a minute. And what I thought I would put in this egg is, I think I'm going to choose these three. Two little ones with a bigger one in between. So let me cut those out. Let's just find the line. Here we go. Just have to nick the little tiny spots that are joining the lines together, the cut lines, that is. Okay, and up this side here. It's only a tiny little nick that you need to just separate. Okay, so that's the one I thought I would put in there. I'll get it straight in a minute. And I've cut an extra one out. This is the one I want for a little bit of extra dimension on this middle bunny. So I'm going to cut off the back legs and the ears and just cut out the front of the body. So let's do that. Off go the back legs. I'll cut the ears off in a minute. And this leg here. Okay. And the bit at the bottom. Just there. Now I'll cut the ears off. This is all in the attempt to get perspective and dimension. Now I've cut those off, I will just round those lines, make the cut line look more like the die cut line. Okay, and that's going to go on the top of there. I think I may just poke out his eyes as well, so the eyes are from this layer below. Let me do that now. Just cut the top and the and the bottom. Don't try and catch knives. There we go. There's the eyes out. Now we need to do a little bit of colouring. Lots of people have been asking me how I clean my sticky mat. This is a really, really cheap one. I wouldn't suggest you do this with expensive ones. I've got a more expensive one in my Misty, and that one I can't get the stain off in the same way that I can get the stain off with this one. So the way I do this is simply a little isopropyl alcohol. I keep some in this little bottle, which is handy on my desk for all sorts, I can't do it that way, all sorts of spills. And then with a piece of dry paper towel, I'll just rub it off. The stuff that is remaining that you can see, the shiny stuff, is my pearl glaze. That is much more difficult to get off, but alcohol markers come off really, really easily. So to colour my little rabbits, I've got a grey and a sort of a very, very pale earth tone. It's an E010, pale fruit pink it's called. So inside the ears, cheeks, bit of the tummy perhaps. Oh, that's going to be covered up, isn't it? This one isn't though. There we go. This one, cheeks, bit under the tummy, and a little bit of grey for shading. Right. Oh, I haven't shaded anything on this one. Just going to use my blending pen just to smooth out the edges. Just sort of, you know, blur them a trifle. Okay. And with the very fine liner, I'm just going to add the eyes to the bunnies. Okay. Now I'll stick this onto the top. Oh, one thing I didn't do, which I often do, but Phil just shouted, so I had to stop the video. When I was cleaning this, I do just wipe it over with the baby wipe after I've used the alcohol. But I've got to take him to a funeral this morning. He's still not able to drive. And I'm going to have to go to the funeral, even though I don't know the lady who died, but she is the partner of one of Phil's friends. So he wants to support his friend. So I'm afraid I'm going as excess baggage. So there we go. Right, onto, I'll just glue this onto here and put it on straight. I'm not going to put any glue on the slats this time. I'm just going to put it on the top and bottom of the frame. Okay. That is going to go behind here. I'm just wondering whether to do that flat or whether to do some tape. I think we'll do some foam tape. I am wondering about whether to put some colour behind here or not, or just leave it white. I think I might just leave it white, because if I need colour, I'm going to have to take those slats off again. I could spray it with some spray and sparkle, I suppose. I think I might just leave it. I'll just colour the sentiment, I think, probably. Right, let's take this off the egg shape. I'm hoping the bunnies are just going to slip into one of the slats. Okay. There we go, that's nice. Yes, that works well. So where are my bunnies? Here they are. I think I may put a little bit of grass in there as well. I'll put these on some foam tape. It's really quite a quick card, actually, says she. Bit of glue on the sides, on the bunnies on the sides. I think I may put a little bit of grass. We'll see. There. Now, happy Easter up here. It's just a question of colour. I've done two for each of them because I want to get a bit more dimension. So I'll just stick those together very quickly. And then I will need to get ready to do the taxiing. Right, it's a question of what colour. Do we keep it all sort of pretty and pale, pastel? Where's the... I think I'm going to use this marker, the one that's, or should I do the grey? And twinkle. Let's do grey and twinkle. I think what I might try is some spray and sparkle. So for that, I need to put it into my spray box. It's very pale, isn't it? That will take just a little while to dry, and then I can pop it onto its backdrop. So I might as well stick these together. See, I'm using scraps, can't you? Bits and pieces from elsewhere. Okay. I think the bunnies can have some milder twinkle on them, a bit of this. This is merely a shimmer pen. This one is Craft Artist. I have all sorts. I've got Wink of Stella. I've got Nouveau, you know, loads of them. So let's have the words back. Should be pretty much dry now, I think. Pop a bit of glue on. There we are. Oh, his ears come up. Let's pop that down again. Put a bit of glue on it. There we go. Just stick this down. So there we are, a really quick Easter card, making a slatted egg out of a square and an egg shape. So thank you for joining me, and thanks for the thumbs ups and the hypes and all the rest of it. Most appreciated, thank you. So see you very soon.